Hello everyone, this is Zach from Trade VSA. So today this short video here, I just want to go through this counter here, MSM Malaysia. That recently, if let's say you based on our this new indicator, the trend line here, it actually now moving uptrend. Okay, so I can say small terms wise, they are actually trying to reverse. Okay, from this downtrend. Of course, this stock has been going up climatically previously. Okay, so this is from accumulation to the top, 260%. Okay, with the this is from the top to the bottom here, distributions is of around 46%. So potentially my form of VCP moving forward and months of reaccumulation. Okay, but again, this the current uptrend, which is based on this short term over here, do tell us that they have a very good chance to retest on the near resistance pretty soon. Okay, so this is also a combination of Pentagon. Again, Pentagon need to be in the right place. So if you look into this Pentagon and this Pentagon, okay, so this is not in the right place because first of all, this Pentagon come with upthrust, which is representing the weakness sign. Okay, and it actually still below the 40 MA. So again, representing the resistance sign. So this Pentagon is way better, okay, because it's actually above the 2040s, okay, moving average. And like I said, the short-term trend, okay, also pointing upwards, okay. So of course you can actually spot different types of setup, like for example MSM using the screener over here, the panel screener. So this is one example. I think CI Holding also doing pretty well. Okay, Tanko also in the uptrend. Okay, so there's a few counters that you can look into. So use the screener, like I said, members, use the screener to help you to free up your time. Okay, you need to go through all the stocks, go through the several screener to help you on this. Okay, so okay, now a few things we want to look into for MSM. So first of all, as I mentioned, Pentagon above 2040, which is a nice setups. Okay, the next thing is that you want to look for a healthy pullback. So we got actually a nice follow through already with 2LC. So this is like hitting the top of this resistance over here. Okay, so this is the next resistance they're going to hit, if not mistaken. Okay, so here probably they will like make some minor retest somewhere around here before they want to challenge on the top resistance again. Okay, so there's a few ways that you can actually try to use the trend line plotter, okay, to determine where is the next subsequent support and resistance. Okay, if the stock move in a direction. So you want to look for downtrend, of course, near the support. Okay, weaknesses near to the resistance. Okay, so hopefully, by now I think they are actually forming a pretty healthy pullback at the moment. Volume is getting lower. Of course, the time that I'm doing this video right now is only 11:48. Okay, so we are not to the closing yet. So monitor until the closing. Okay, if you want to. So it ensures that volume remains to be low. Okay, volume remains to be low, and you want to see more downtrend, like for example, NS Spring test. Okay, so overall background, as I mentioned, this is seriously a big trend already. Distribution. Okay, I believe for masterclass student, you're able to spot the buying climax followed by uptrust high volume. Okay, so that's why there's a distribution. Okay, so a big drop. Okay, almost 50% from top to bottoms. Okay, from this area. And now this is a few effort bars coming back to 2040, representing someone is still keen. Okay, now the next thing is that you want to check healthy pullback. Okay, so hopefully we're able to see more downtrends coming back. Okay, if not, use the COC2. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below any other stocks that you want me to cover in this short video. I will see you in the next video then.